Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll prove change of base formula for logarithm. So we know that in a logarithm, change of base formula is that if a base log m is there, then we can convert this one on another base. Suppose if I take another base that is b, then we can write b base log m by b base log a. So how can we prove this one? This is very simple one. So here let a base log m equal to x. By the definition of logarithm, we can write this one can be written as a to the power x equal to m. Now take b base log on both sides, then we can find out b base log a to the power x equal to b base log m. Now by using log power rule, we can write s multiplied by b base log a equal to b base log m. Therefore, x will be b base log m divided by b base log a. And this is the proof of change of base formula for logarithm. Now, for example, we can see if we want to find out 4 base log root over 8. So how can you solve? Here, we can solve this one easily by using the change of base formula. That is, if I take another base that is 2, then instead of this one, we can write 2 base log root over 8 by 2 base log 4. Here, 2 base log root over 8 can be written as 8 to the power 1 by 2, or 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power 3 by 2. And 4 can be written as 2 square. So instead of this one, we can write 2 base log. Instead of root over 8, we can write 2 to the power 3 by 2. And here we can write 2 base log. Instead of 4, that will be 2 square. So here, by using the log power formula, we can write instead of this one, 3 by 2. And instead of this one, that will be 2. Then what will be the final answer? That is 3 by 4. Very simple. Now I want to show you a little bit tricky one. Suppose if I want to find out the value of 1 by 4 base log 32. So how can we solve it? Simple way. Use the idea of change of base formula of logarithm. Then we can say if I take the base as 2, then instead of this line, we can write 2 base log 32 divided by 2 base log 1 by 4. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. So here we can write 2 base log 2 to the power 5. And here 1 by 4 means actually 1 by 2 square, or 2 to the power negative 2. So here we can write 2 base log instead of 1 by 4, 2 to the power minus 2. Now, by using log power formula, the numerator will be 5 and the denominator will be minus 2. Now, your job is to find out 27 base log 81 by using the change of base formula, and give your answer in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.